I want y'all to know that you can do hard things, I promise. And we are here to show you how.
Do it anyway. You do have a voice that is important to have at the table. Don't let this intimidate you.
Days for dreaming. It's time to believe it. Days for dreaming. Now doesn't have to wait. Days for dreaming.
We've sponsored 6 high school girls to attend the Carbon Capture Technology Expo in Houston, Texas, and we're really excited to be able to offer the opportunity to these girls to learn about careers that they might not have the opportunity to learn about.
I would recommend people coming to these places to learn. You get to understand things that you never thought about, find career options that you didn't think were possible, and it really gives you an insight about what you can do in the future.
I love how interested the people are in their careers. I feel like it'd be really helpful to someone who may not know what kind of career they're going into. Ask a lot of questions and expect a lot of people, because there's a lot of people here.
The air releases where we need to run.
If each of us can bring 1 or 2 more women along, soon we will be 50% of the workforce.
Today is for dreaming.